So with my 25 years experience in the industry, I decided that I would like to start NuVue as an installation company. The whole ethos of the business was to have it as a local family-run business and also make sure that we were offering the best products in the marketplace. So NuVue was actually established in April 2019. When we stopped for COVID, we actually had to close the business for 7 weeks. But fortunately, when we came back from the COVID break, we actually flew as a business. Business expanded, grew very, very quickly, and we had a very, very successful period. So we've now invested in the showroom, which I feel really cements the seriousness of the business. For a customer to actually be able to come into the showroom and see, touch and feel, as we like to say, the product firsthand, makes it a lot easier for them to decide about their choices. The showroom really cements the relationship between us and the customer because they can see that we've put that investment into the business, and it also makes it a lot easier for them to actually look at the product and make their final choices. So being part of the Endurance Installer Network ensures that we are providing the customer with a very high quality product, and we have the relationship and backup of Endurance. Should we need anything to fall back on, they know that they're dealing with a brand that is strong in the industry. So by Endurance generating the inquiry for NuVue Windows and Doors, it means that we have a very, very strong lead source. The customer has generally already done their research, so they know that the product is what they are looking for.
What sets NuVue apart is their commitment to their customers. They're a family-run business and they really show that. Their constant communications with their customers and their development towards a new showroom, it just goes to show what the customer needs from us, and they're presenting that. NuVue have been chosen for this month's winner for their commitment to the Endurance Partnership, the Installer Partnership, and the development of a showroom. They've got 6 showroom doors on show showing the full range. Other installer partners can learn from NuVue. They're a great growth story within Endurance. They are fully committed to the Installer Partner Network scheme with the leads we send to them. They've developed their showroom in conjunction with this, as well as their website. All these things come together for growth for their business, growth for Endurance, and commitment to the industry.
So the recognition of the IWA award was very, very important to us, something we're very, very proud of. It's a survey that's done on a number of customers every year through the IWA, which is our insurance warranty approval company. We have 115 5-star reviews. For a small local business, it just really highlights to the customer that we are going to do the job and install the product, which is a high quality product, but also very, very importantly, a very, very high standard of installation.